Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going after the fans. Everybody loves a fan. We've got this sweet 52-inch ceiling fan with light kit from Inlight. So we're getting a new ceiling fan, and it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. All right, I've got a metal box up here, and there was an old ceiling fan here, so I know I'm equipped for a ceiling fan. If you have a plastic box or you're not sure it's equipped for the ceiling fan, make sure you get the proper support because a fan will fall if it's not supported correctly. Inlight fans come with this added security hook that goes up into the ceiling joist, and then their additional safety harness is looped onto it. I do not have a ceiling joist next to my fan install, so I'll be wrapping the harness around the brace. Now the plate goes mounted with the machine screws into the electrical ceiling box. Get those good and secure, and then give it a shake to see if it needs to be secured more. You can loosen the set screw here. Let's twist these together so it's easier to feed it into the drop down. You can also feed your safety harness. Now you can line up the holes and feed the pin through. Tighten down the set screw. Now you can hook the fan onto the mount. You can go ahead and connect the ground wires. Now because I didn't use my screw hook, I'm gonna wrap my safety harness around the ceiling mount. I'm just gonna clip off all this extra wire that I don't need. Now with my breaker off, I can go ahead and wire the whites first. And because I'm only on one switch, I'm gonna wire the fan and the light together. So we're gonna tie the black and the blue together. And then we'll connect it with our black. Now we can pull our scutcheon up and click it. I'm gonna go with the medium oak or chestnut. Let's do this one. Let's put our fan blade arms on. If you're not delicate with a screw gun, you might want to do these with a screwdriver. Now you can take the fan blade screws out of the fan. You can also toss away these little packing rubber bushings. Now you can put the screw in the blade and screw it into the fan. Now you could build this whole fan and then hang it up, but I like to build it a piece at a time. Give it a test. Looking good. All right, now with the light kit, it's a quick connect. We've got one blue wire, one white wire. Let's put the cardboard plate over the rest of these wires. Then we'll plug in our blue to blue, white to white. You can tell which direction it goes on because it's got this little slot right here, and that's to make room for this switch on the side. Spin that around. And then fit this guy up into the hole. Secure it with the screw and washer. Next, we can put our globes on by loosening these globe screws. Globe slides in, then you can tighten down the screws. And don't forget to clip on the pull chains. So that's it. We just rocked that ceiling fan install. Pull chains, it's got the light kit, sweet. And I'm already feeling it. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.